Hello everybody, welcome to AtNEET Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Heat and Thermodynamics. Okay, the question is, the following graph represents the TV curves of an ideal gas, where T is the temperature and V is the volume. At three pressures P1, P2 and P3. P1 code line, P2 one more line, P3 one more line. Compared with those of Charles' law represented as dotted lines. So this is for a particular gas. It has been given by the solid line. The corresponding curves for the Charles' law is given by the dotted line. Okay, that's all. Then the correct relation is, which is the correct relation? What do you have to find out? This question has been asked in the NEET examination in 2024. So what are the four options, sir? Number one, P3 is greater than P2, which is greater than P1. P1 which is greater than P3, which is greater than P2. P2 greater than P1, which is greater than P3. P1 which is greater than P2, which is greater than P3. So these are all the four options. The ideal gas equation that you know is PV is equal to mu RT. That is, T is equal to, bring mu R to the other side. P divided by mu R into V. Okay, that's all. From this equation, we know that at constant temperature, pressure P is inversely proportional to volume V. Is it not? Pressure P is inversely proportional to volume V. So it is, as V increases, P will decrease. It means for the inversely proportional. As V increases, P will decrease. So you see, for a particular temperature T, this is the smallest volume for pressure P1. This is intermediate volume for pressure P2 and the maximum volume for pressure P3. What is our conclusion? As V increases, P decreases. So our P3 is the least value, P2 is the intermediate value, P1 is the most value. That is, P1 is the greatest value. P1, pressure P1 will have the greatest value, largest value. So P1 is greater than P2, which is greater than P3. Option 4 is the right answer. Okay. So option 4 is the right answer. Already I told you that this question has been asked in the NEET examination in the year 2024. We will see one more question from this chapter, Heat and Thermodynamics, in our next video. After that, we will discuss questions in another chapter. Okay. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.